Hi, welcome back to Educate WordPress, where we talk everything and all about WordPress. I'm Aisha, and in this video I'm going to tell you how you can duplicate your posts or pages on your WordPress website. So when you have when you write a blog or something that's related to posts and pages, everything, you might have to work on an existing post or existing page. So without changing that, you can actually clone it or duplicate those pages or posts and edit them as per your convenience. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can do that in just one single step. So let's get into the video. And before we get in that, don't forget to subscribe as we come up with videos on WordPress and WooCommerce every now and then to get your website performance up and top. So here I'm going to go to plugins and add new. And I'm going to install a plugin. Let's search for duplicate post. Okay, you can see the Yoast duplicate post plugin. So Yoast has their SEO plugin as well, and this plugin already has 3 million plus active installation. So you can see how important this plugin is. So for the duplication purpose, this plugin is very useful. So you can just activate this, and once activated, you can go to the settings. You can go over here in the settings, and you can see the duplicate post option is here. So I'm going to click that, and here you can see the option what to copy, and there are the various types of elements that you can copy during the clone. That is title, date, status, slugs, excerpts, content, featured image, template, post format, everything, and all these things can be copied. So I'm just going to let it be, and also you can add a title prefix, like for example you can add a copy so that you know which is the cloned product or cloned page or post, and if you want to add, you can add a suffix as well. Then you can add the menu order here. That's not very important. You can just leave it the thing over there, and also you can copy do not copy fields as well. Like for example, if there should be tags, categories, etc. should not copied, you can choose them as well. So you can just type in whatever fields that you don't want and then save changes. And also there are some other options as well, permissions, like which are the roles that allows the copy, like administrator, editor, contributor, everything, who can copy and everything. You can make the changes from here. So basic things are administrator and editor only. You can give it to author as well. Then also enable for this post type, like what are the posts, pages, orders, it's a basic things. You can just save changes or let that be. Then also display, what are the links to display, like there will be a new draft option, then clone option and rewrite option. I'm going to click onto the new draft. We don't need that. Then also you can click the links, whatever links, and I'm going to save the changes. And let's go to the post, and you can see all posts here. So here I have my this post, and you can see the options: edit, quick edit, trash, and now you can see the clone and rewrite and republish option. So here you can rewrite and republish, or you can duplicate this by clicking onto the clone option. So a copy of the post here is done. So you can see you can directly edit this, and also you can see that the header, the copy, the image, headings, everything is just copied, and we don't have to do anything. Also, you if there is any tags associated or categories associated, you can just those will be also copied as we have ticked them as well. So that's how you can copy a post using the Yoast plugin, Yoast duplicate post plugin, and it's just easy. You just have to click onto the clone option. So that's it. I hope you helped. Hope the video helped you. And if you have more video suggestion, please drop in the comment section, and we'll be happy to help. I'll see you in another video. Bye.